In this video, we are going to learn more about the gateway of Tele or the interface of Tele and how all the things work. Now, to make it very simple, I'll just divide this software in two parts. One is called masters and other is called transaction. Just remember that anything which is created for the first time is called your masters. Like whatever is created. For example, first time you are creating the ledgers, you are creating chart of accounts, you are creating inventory items, customers, suppliers. All of this which is created first time is called masters, and all the day-to-day transactions after that, whether it's sales, purchases, receipts, payments, bad debts, whatever. So all those kind of transactions will be dealt in the transaction section. So these are the basic two areas. One is called masters, one is called transaction. The other area is reports. So all the reports can be found in this area, whether it's balance sheet, profit and loss, stock summary analysis. And even if you want some more reports to be seen, just click on display more reports, or we have the short key right here mentioned in the highlighted blue color, that is D. So as we press D, we have all the accounting reports, accounts books, and all the inventory books as well. And in the display reports, if you want to go further, for example, I want to see the account books report, we have the other reports like contract register, payment register, receipt register, and all the other registers and ledgers as well. So that's how we drill down. And if we want to go back to the main menu, you will just press escape button to get one step back, and then press escape again and escape again. This will take you to the main menu. So this is all about the interface of the latest release of Tele Prime. Just try this by yourself, explore it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.